Our nervous system as a whole, which is comprised of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system, has three basic functions, which are sensation, response, and integration. For instance, a stimulus would come in from the environment. We would respond to that stimulus, i.e., flexing a bicep or flexing your vastus lateralis. And finally, we would integrate or process that information. Our central nervous system is made up of two structures, the brain and the spinal cord. The brain can be broken down into smaller portions, which would be the cerebrum, which has two hemispheres. The cerebrum is made up of the temporal, parietal, frontal, and occipital lobes. The brain also contains a cerebellum, which helps with balance and coordination, and also includes the brainstem, which controls involuntary functions like heartbeat, digestion, and breathing. The spinal cord is also part of the central nervous system and is mostly a relay system. Now, moving on to the peripheral nervous system, can be broken down into two main systems, which would be the somatic, which is voluntary, and autonomic, which is involuntary. The peripheral nervous system also connects the central nervous system to the rest of the body through all the nerves. The autonomic nervous system, which is a subcategory of the peripheral nervous system, can also be broken down into the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic nervous system, which is our fight or flight response, will actually increase our heart rate, respiration, and inhibit digestion and the urinary systems. The parasympathetic nervous system, which you said in your lecture is the rest and digest nervous system, has a calming effect. It slows heart rate and breathing and stimulates digestion and the urinary systems.